How to add money to your Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from Help Deck, and in today's video we will simply learn how we can add money on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just open the Cash App and then tap the My Cash tab, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you tap on the My Cash tab, on the next specific page, just choose the option that says Add Cash. Now enter the amount of money that you want to add to Cash App, then just tap on the Add button. Once you do so, enter your cash pin to confirm it. Now if you're talking about where you can load your Cash App card as well, alternatively you can add money to your Cash App card by visiting a participating retailer and asking the cashier to load cash into your Cash App account. And also note that a small fee may be charged, such as the list of the participating retailers are like 7-Eleven, CVS, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Rite Aid, Target, Walgreens, and or Walmart. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then add money to your Cash App account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.